Can you take the spice? Lay's has unveiled a new spicy flavor in their Kettle Cooked chips lineup, Cajun Spice. Inspired by the bold, savory and peppery heat of Cajun-style cooking, this flavor is a permanent addition to their range. Unlike previous limited edition releases, Cajun Spice is here to stay. The Cajun Spice Kettle Cooked chips have sparked excitement among fans and food enthusiasts. Social media is buzzing with positive reviews, with Instagram users like Snackalater expressing their love for Cajun seasoning. Early tasters, such as Facebook's Team Supernova, have praised the flavor, noting its perfect pairing with the kettle-cooked texture. This launch is part of Lay's efforts to innovate and expand their flavor offerings, catering to diverse taste preferences. The introduction of Cajun Spice reflects a trend in the snack industry towards bolder, adventurous flavors, appealing to consumers seeking new taste experiences. Available now across the US, the Cajun Spice Kettle Cooked chips add a spicy twist to Lay's lineup, reinforcing the brand's commitment to unique, flavorful snacks.